subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Baseus 10000mAh mini power bank is a lightweight and highly portable digital display power bank. 50% smaller than the average power bank, you can easily carry the device in your pocket or purse. Designed to be highly efficient yet beautiful, this mini power bank is made from high-quality material and comes with a matte oil finish which makes it anti-slip, anti-scratch, and smudge-free. The power bank supports a 22.5-volt SCP flash charge and 20-volt PD fast charge. It comes with a BPS charging technology and supports USB and Type-C port charging. The highlight feature of this power bank is the mini LED display that shows you the battery percentage in real time. Fitted with a high-quality and flexible polymer lithium cell, the power bank comes with multiple safety features like overcharge protection, over-discharge protection, short-circuit protection, restore protection, etc. Generally retailing for $37, you can now buy Baseus 10000mAh mini power bank for $22.51 only at AliExpress. Please note that this deal will expire in the next 24 hours. So place your order. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.